Okay. Hi, everybody. It's Hayden and Megan again. We're doing another video for y'all for the Wildlife Lab. So just kind of watch it and here's some hopefully helpful information. So,
Your lab handout is due on October 19th at midnight, basically, and it'll be the same as this last week. After you record the data during the lab section, you'll type it up, complete the calculations, and submit it to Blackboard as a PDF or a Word document. You can scan, take pictures, however is easiest for you. Just get it in.
yeah, as long as we can see the answers, works for us.
These are the time slots that you've signed up for. Once again, same as last week. Come during your 2-hour slot. Don't show up for a different time. We'll have to turn you away.
Yeah, and don't show up late either.
Yeah.
We the cutoff is 10 minutes after the start. So if your sign up time is 8 to 10 a.m. and you show up at 8:15, I'm sorry, we're going to have to turn you away. We've already started. So.
And if you show up late, put some hustle in that step getting up there.
Yeah. So getting out to the range barn, same information as last week. There's a link to Google Maps on Blackboard under helpful information. And there's pictures here in this PowerPoint. So please pay attention, look at them. I know there were a couple of students that had a hard time finding us. If you follow the maps on here, you will be able to find us. Once you get out to the range barn, we're in a different location this time. You'll see the map here in a minute. But don't park parallel to that gravel driveway. Park perpendicular, same as you did this last weekend. If you're in a smaller vehicle, please be careful. The area where we're at has larger, deeper ditches, and we don't want to have to tow people out of the ditch. So
go at an angle, don't high center.
Exactly. Find a spot that works for your vehicle. And again, if you miss lab due to transportation issues, this is considered as an unexcused absence. So if your car breaks down, you get a flat tire, if you can't find us, these all count as transportation issues. Please do reach out if you do have these problems. We're a lot more lenient when students do let us know in advance or as early as they can. And for those of you who don't have your own transportation, remember, Uber, Lyft, phone a friend, email one of your classmates. You can see who else has signed up during your time that could possibly help give you a ride. So find a way to get there. And again, don't show up late, please. So here's the same maps last time. The rangeland has 2 entries. The red star is the one that you will need to use right across from the Holly Apartments. We've got another entrance over on this side. Do not use it. You will not be able to get in. Again, here's the range barn itself. You'll enter right across from the Holly. Drive down the road, follow the red line, and we're right here at the crook of the road this time. Last time we were all the way out here by the red X. That's that other location, the other entrance. Again, don't use that. You will not be able to get in. You have to come in off of Erskine. So when you arrive, please have your release form and your ID ready. We're going to put you in your groups just as we did for the Rangeland Lab. And again, it's group work, so work together, and we'll get this done as quick as possible.
When you show up, have your release form and ID ready. Don't forget your lab handout and something to write with. Please wear a mask or a facial covering. We will confront you if you are not. I spoke to a couple of you this weekend about dress code. I was pretty lenient on it, but I won't be this time around. That means long pants, closed-toed shoes. Don't wear yoga pants, sweatpants, or shorts. We have a lot of mesquite thorns out there, and some of y'all found that. Also, house shoes are not closed-toed shoes. Do not wear your house shoes in the outside of the house. So if you've got some hiking boots, wear those. Any type of thicker soles. If you need sunscreen, wear that. If you need snack and water, bring it. It's only a 2-hour slot, so you should be okay, but we don't have facilities for you to use the restroom or get water. We'll have a jug of water up at the check-in station, but you need to bring your own cup. So just be prepared to work outside for 2 hours.
And if you do need to go to the bathroom, please take care of that beforehand.
Yes.
We don't, like Megan said, we don't have facilities for that. So take care of your business. There's 3 different exercises we go through for the wildlife lab. First one is population monitoring using small mammal trapping. That picture in the middle, these are little boxes we use to trap small mammals, field mice, I'm trying to think what else. Sometimes rabbits, but they're a bit small for this. And what you're going to do is you're going to set them out on a transect, so that long measuring tape like we did for the range and lab, and we're going to leave them out and see what we can catch. We'll also talk about tagging and reasons why you would want to or why you wouldn't want to tag an animal. Second exercise is VHF telemetry, and in this case, we're going to use transmitters, radio transmitters, that we set out on the rangeland to track using the antenna you can see in the middle and the right pictures. And last exercise, you get to use a GPS unit, a compass, and you're going to learn how to navigate to different points and triangulate, which read your lab manual. It'll tell you all about triangulation, and we'll give you more information when we get out there this weekend. So with that, does anybody have any questions? Please, just let us know. Got our email, check it all week. And yeah.